up, guys? Good morning. Well, today hasn't actually been the best morning, but what can you do? I'm heading to work after 9 o'clock, which is the bad part about this morning. Yeah, it sucks. So basically, I slept in too much. One of my coworkers is very irritated at me because they're waiting in front of Go Greek with no key, basically just sitting there. You know what? Don't complain, bitch. I had to do it one time for an hour and a half while my old manager was late. So I know how it feels. But anyways, what's up, everybody? Shane Beck Vlogs here, coming to you today with another, not live, but you know, hopefully interesting day. But yeah, I'll get to you guys in a minute, alright? Peace. I'll be there.
Hey Rams, just in case Jared Goff doesn't work out as a
It's too damn early for that shit!
anyway, right?
So guys, everything seemed to work out pretty good when I got to work. I apologized to my other coworker, which I will not say his name, but I apologized to him about being late, and it turns out that I was confused because this morning when I woke up and it was after 9 o'clock when I was supposed to be at work, he told me that, well, no, I got confused. I thought that what he said is, hey, I want you to give me money for, basically, for when I wasn't even supposed to work, which didn't really make sense. But then I talked to him once I got here and I realized what he said was, hey, pay me at least from 9 on. And I said, okay, that's fine. So I called my manager Todd and got that done. Anyways, besides that, take a second right now. Take 1 second. Okay, this vlog is not gonna go anywhere. Take 1 second. Go to yesterday's vlog. I am, for some reason, very proud of the content that I put up yesterday. It's called, the something opportunity, or opportunity, the land of opportunity. It's called the land of opportunity. Go watch that right now. Give it a thumbs up if you like it. I don't know what it is. I think it's the way I filmed it, the content that I put in it. I'm proud of that for some reason. So go ahead and like that or subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Okay, now, I hope everybody is having an absolutely beautiful day. I know that I am. Today I think I get off at 3 o'clock and tomorrow I work from 4 to 10. And then I did not just fart. That was awkward. Okay, I am gassy. Wow, that's embarrassing. Anyways, yeah, so today I work from 9 to 3. I think tomorrow's from 4 to 10. And then Wednesday and Thursday, well, Wednesday I'm off. Thursday I took it off, and then Friday I'm working a double shift. So from 9 to basically 10 at night. So that'll be a 12-hour shift. But on Thursday, the reason I took that off is because I'm having, Lisa and I, you know, some friends of ours are having like a little housewarming, little get-together thing because they just got a new apartment, so we're going to go hang out with them for that. But guys, I just wanted to come on here and say real quick, wait, well no, I vlog all day, so I'm not going on real quick. I'm slow in the head sometimes. I am sorry. Anyways, I hope you guys are all having a beautiful day. I don't know what's in store for today, but as you guys know as well as I do, you won't know until you see it. So stay tuned, okay? Okay, just keep watching, because I got good stuff for you guys, man. They locked me up. No, I'm just kidding. It's just a fucking box. I'm going outside now, okay? Okay. And now, a quick message from my father, Frank.
Okay, so as you'll see here, a dumb rolled this today. That's a water truck. This is my job. You can put this on your blog today, Shane. This is my job. And that is a sideways water truck that some idiot rolled this morning. So you could use that in your blog for today.
Don't worry, Dad. This is for sure in the vlog.
More for your blog, Shane. This here is a tuna sandwich from a Mexican lunch truck made by a fat Mexican lady. Might not want to put that on the blog. It might not get too many applause, but anyways, That is a tuna sandwich for your blog.
Fresh avocado and watermelon from a Mexican tuna sandwich from a Mexican lady.
That latte art,
You motherfuckers is acting gay as shit. Fucking do. Nah, but seriously, get the hell up out of here.
Days are better than other days, but these days life is better with you. Life is better. Tell me what you.
So now, what I'm doing basically, I just left work, which is over there. I was off at 3 o'clock. It's one of those days. I am heading to Corona Del Mar to pick up my tips and Katie's tips. You guys have seen her in my vlog. She was in one yesterday. So yeah, I'm gonna go over there and it's probably like $8. I'm poor as shit. Y'all! Thanks to you, Dad. He lost his mind. Then he see your busy line.
What's Dad want for Father's Day? Well, I told Kim to shut up and be a nice start.
Damn, Rippers, I'm like hella stoked right now. I never get tipped out this much at Corona Del Mar. Got 30 freaking bucks, dude. I'm rich. I'm rich.
Pad now. Today is a sad day. Today is the last day that I will be riding Joey's motorcycle. You're gay! Maybe I'm gay. Maybe I'm not. But today is the last day. Well, I'm about to ride it because Lisa has to go get some work done on her car. I'm gonna ride it from my house here to Lisa's mom's house and drop it off. But yeah, I'm gonna throw a little picture in here with me on the motorcycle. So here that is right now. All right, guys, it is the last run. And rough. Currently going through severe depression. I have lost Bay. It is done.
Nail salon.
What are you getting done?
Getting my color changed.
changed.
Look like you have alien fingers.
Thank you.
Oh. Thank you. Look like you have alien fingers.
Thank you.
How do you feel, babe?
I feel so pretty.
Do you? So where are we going now?
I don't know.
You don't know? Show you in a minute. Blah.
That was even worse than the bra. Get out of my life!
Nope!
Hey, you know what I can do to you now?
What the fuck is that?
It's my face.
No, that. Right there.
You're an ass. Make sure that food doesn't slide over because it's jerking off.
So we went out and got ding dong bong bong Chinese. For any Asians watching this,
He's not really that racist. He's just an asshole.
stare at that, not the fucking screen. Oh god, I love it. Alright, ready? Wait, hold on. Let's see if I can hit my phone, my face. Ready? Go. 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 That really just happened, guys.
Careful of the food.
Be careful of the phone!
Don't talk to me like that.
This is seconds after that happened. Oh my god, she was really pissed off. Why the fuck did you get...
Fuck you.
Oh my god, she's evil.
I am the spawn of Satan.
Okay guys, so like I said earlier when I started this vlog today, I never know what's gonna really happen. As you watch, you'll see that's a really horrible glare. God, how do I stop this? Jeez, sorry. Anyways, but whatever, I don't care. Anyways, so yeah, I never know what's gonna happen in these vlogs until I do them.
That's horrible. Delete it.
What?
It's horrible.
Is it? God damn it. Anyways guys, so that marks the end of today's vlog. I got hit in the face, I got Chinese food.
You hit your girlfriend in the face.
I hit my girlfriend in the face, but anyways, any days.
Any days
and all days. Thank you so much. I love everybody. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. My subscriptions are growing. I was at like 10 the other day. I'm at almost 20 now. So I've doubled my subscription. I really appreciate everybody who supports my channel. Today, unfortunately, it was the last day that I was able to ride the motorcycle. Well, I may be able to ride it again, but it was the last day of it being in my possession, which sucks, but whatever. Life rolls on. Anyways, thank you so much for supporting. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you guys in tomorrow's vlog. Stay tuned.
I am the spawn of Satan.